Hi, today I'm going to show you how to open Revolut Business Account in UK. So, to do this, before applying, check that your business meets the requirements. For a UK Revolut Business Account, you must have a company registered in the UK. It must be a supported structure such as limited company, partnership, or LLP. And the business must operate in supported industry. Revolut Business is not available for sole traders. Freelancers usually use Revolut Pro instead. Now, step 2 is going to the Revolut Business website. So visit the official Revolut business page and click Get Started. You will need to complete a short online application form with your business details. Now, provide details such as business name, registration number, type of company, business activities, and company address and contact details. This helps Revolut verify your company. Now, you will also need to submit documents to confirm your identity and business information. Examples include passport and government ID, proof of address, certificate of incorporation, and company ownership details. Now, you'll have to wait for approval. So after submitting your application, Revolut reviews your information. Approval may take a few hours to a few days depending on verification checks. Once approved, you can send and receive UK bank transfers, hold multiple currencies, and manage payments and team spending from the app. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.